Patungkol po doon sa label na mini trial because we saw Vice President Sara's statement and she sort of like siguro weaponized the use of that word phrase. And I remember po last week kayo po yung isa mga nagbanggit noong salitang yon, nung label na yon. Do you still stand by that label categorization to refer to what is happening to here in the House of Representatives, or do you sort of like regret that given na ginagamit po ito ng kampo ni VP Sara?
For purposes of accuracy, no, the use of mini trial in the past interviews was only to guide the viewing public in distinguishing the proceeding before the Justice Committee with the trial, which will happen in the Senate. Again, to be very accurate, what is happening in the Justice Committee is akin to a preliminary investigation in which there should be a clarificatory hearing where the justice members will raise question for the purpose of guiding them in the determination of probable cause. No? Kung walang clarificatory hearing, kung hindi magtatanong ang mga justice members, ang tanong ko naman sa inyo, paano kaya i-determine ng justice members ang existence or non-existence of probable cause?
So kayo, Kong, you wouldn't shy away from using it just to guide the public pa rin of what is happening in the House?
Of course, because the intention only in using that terminology is to make it better understandable on the part of the viewing public that this is different from the trial that is happening in the Senate.
So no regrets, Kong?
No regrets.